I can't believe that I just found out that you don't have to keep buying furnace filters because this is a washable, reusable furnace filter. And when this gets dirty, you can simply vacuum it or throw it in with your laundry and then just pop it right back in. Each one of these is good for over 60 washes, which is equivalent to 5 to 8 years worth of use and hundreds of dollars in savings. And even better, these are made out of an electrostatic material so that when air passes through it, it creates static electricity, allowing it to capture dust, mold, pollen, and pet dander even better. I wish I'd have known about these filters a long time ago because I'm honestly never going back to buying them all the time again. These have an incredible 4.7 star rating. They come in a whole bunch of different sizes and they have free shipping. So if you'd like to get some of these or just learn more about them, I'm going to drop that link below so you can. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you.